Hello guys! In this video we will have a look on auxiliary lines on Bobcat machines. Bobcat excavators starting from 2.5 tons models can be fitted with up to 5 auxiliary lines. Let's have a look where they are physically. Here we can see the auxiliary 1, the main auxiliary line which is used for all attachments. Auxiliary 1 is as a standard mount for all excavators models. On the right side of the boom we have auxiliary 2. This line is used for the rotation of the attachments which are fitted on the machine. We could also have auxiliary 3 with manually operated diverter valve on bucket cylinder which is used for clamshell bucket. Now I'm in front of the arm when you can find those 4 pipes which are actually auxiliary 4 and 5. Auxiliary 4 is for the power tilt, auxiliary 5 for the hydraulic quick coupler.